What's going on, all my riders and gliders? Today we're back here with another video for the Honda Navi here. We got the Rear Fender Delete Kit by KemiMoto here. Now I didn't want to spend too much on a kit here, so I found this for about $40 on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys, and I'm going to walk you through the installation. It shouldn't take nothing but 20 minutes or so let's get to it. Alright, my riders and gliders, so this is just a quick view of how it looks before we get into the install. Alright, so what we're going to do first, we're going to pop the seat obviously, and we're just going to disconnect the turn signals here. They pop out real easily. Just give it a tug and it should just pop out as so. And we're going to need a 12mm socket here just to loosen these two bolts that I'm going to point to. And let's do it. Okay, so at this point I got both bolts removed, all the wires unplugged. Right here I'm actually struggling to pull out the bracket, and you'll see why here in a second. So what I ended up doing was I removed the screws right here in these three locations, and that gave me enough room to pull that plastic down to allow these tabs to come out of the bracket. So you see how it extends on the sides? That's what I was having trouble with. Alright, so now that we got the old bracket off, it's time to remove the blinkers here. So I just got a simple wrench here, an adjustable wrench. And I'm just gonna remove the two nuts, one on each side. So for the left one, I found that you actually have to push down on it, and that'll loosen it. Alright, so once we remove the nut completely, we can just slide the blinker assembly out fairly easily. Alright, so now at this point we just got to remove the other blinker here. So for this, if you push the wrench up, it'll loosen the nut. Alright, now that we got the blinkers removed, we can actually add them to the new bracket. So we're going to put them on the top slot here, as that's the only slot it'll fit in. And at this time, we'll do everything in reverse order. Now the bracket came with these rubber inserts to plug up the open spaces here. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it because if I don't, I'll end up losing these rubber spacers. Alright, we got everything ready, so now we're just gonna install it back in reverse order. So the new fender came with two new nuts that we'll be using here. For this one, I believe we need a 14mm socket. Now that we got those tightened down, we'll just reconnect the wires. It's pretty straightforward. Blue with blue, orange with orange, and green with green. Alright, now that we got that installed, we can actually put our screws back here and our plastics. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and we are finished. I think she came out really nice. Let me know if you guys like the old bracket or the new one here. And as always, be sure to test your turn signals and tighten them down. Alright, thanks you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.